Hi friends, my name is Akhil Ahmed, and in this particular video tutorial I will show you how to install Oracle database and SQL Developer tool on Windows machine. So the agenda of today's video tutorial is that we will see how we can install the Oracle Express edition on the Windows. Then we will see how we can install the SQL Developer tool, which is a GUI tool, and will connect to the Oracle database. And then we'll create a table in the Oracle database and we'll insert few records to the Oracle table. So there are different type of additions in the Oracle database. So the first one is the Oracle database standard edition. Oracle database standard edition can be used by the organizations for different departments. For example, they can use it for the web applications as well. So they need to purchase the license for this particular edition. Then the next one is the Oracle database enterprise edition. So the Oracle database enterprise edition provides the better performance, better availability, high scalability, and better security. It can be used for the different OLTP and data warehouse projects. So this can be used for a very large projects. Now the next one is the Oracle database express edition. So the Oracle database express edition, this is an entry level edition of the Oracle database. It is quick to download and simple to install, and it's free to use. So in this particular video we will see how we can install the Oracle database express edition, which is the free edition. Then we will install the SQL developer. So the SQL developer is a GUI based tool which is used to work with the Oracle database to execute the PL SQL queries. So without wasting further time, let's jump to the demo. So I will open the web browser here, the Chrome web browser, and then we will install the Oracle database. So right now the most recent database is the 21C. Okay, so I can write here download Oracle 21C Express edition. Okay, and then I can open the first website, which is the official website of Oracle, www.oracle.com. so I can open this one. So the first option, this is the Oracle database 21C Express edition for Windows 64-bit. Okay, so I will click on this particular icon and it should start the download. I already have an account on this particular website, so in case if you don't have an account, then you can create an account. It's very easy, and then you can download this particular file. So I actually already downloaded the file on my machine, so I can maybe cancel the download and then I can go to the downloads folder. So if I open the downloads folder, then you can see that I already have this Oracle XE213 Win64 zip file. Okay, so this is already downloaded. Now I can extract this one and I can say extract to Oracle XE213 Win64. So now this is being extracted to a new folder. So now as soon as the extraction is completed, I can open this particular folder, and then there is a file setup.exe here. So we need to run the setup file. So I can right click and I can click run as administrator. You should always try to install the applications with the run as administrator option. So now the installation wizard is started and it's ready to install the Oracle database 21C Express edition. So I can click next, and then I need to click on I accept the terms. Then I can click next. So it's trying to install the Oracle database on my C drive, C app HP, this location. But actually I want to install it on the E drive because I have more space available on the E drive. So that's why I will install it on the E drive. If you have enough space on the C drive, although I have the enough space, but still I want to install it in the E drive because I have more space left in the E drive. So that's why I will change the installation location. So instead of the C drive, I can give the E drive path. Okay, and then I can click OK. So now the installation location will be changed to the E drive. Now I can click next, and now here we need to provide the password which will be used for the sys system and the PDB admin accounts. So I can provide the password here, and then I can confirm the password, and now I need to click on next. So now it's showing the destination folder, and then it's ready to install the Oracle database. So I can click on install, and then the installation should start here. So now the installation has been started, and it can take some time, and it depends on the configuration of your machine. So you can wait, and then you don't need to click anywhere, because it will automatically do the installation now. So you can wait. Alright, so the installation of the Oracle database is completed now, and I will recommend you to take a snapshot of this particular uh, last page, because there are some important information here. For example, this pluggable database, this information can be used to make a connection to the Oracle database. So let me take a snapshot of this particular page. So I can just take the snapshot here. So now I can click on the finish. So we have successfully installed the Oracle database here. Now it's time to install the SQL Developer. The SQL Developer tool can be used to connect to the Oracle. So I will reopen this particular site, and I can open the Google, and here I can type Oracle SQL Developer download. Okay, and then I will go to this page, the official website of Oracle, and I can click on the SQL Developer downloads. So from this particular page, this is the first one, Windows 64-bit with JDK 11 included, and then you need to click on this one, download. So right now the size is 465 MB, so you can click on the download and click here, I reviewed and accept the Oracle license agreement, and then click on the download SQL Developer. So this might ask you to log in with your Oracle account credentials. So if you don't have an Oracle account, then it's pretty easy. You can create an account and just click on the download. So I actually already downloaded this one, so I will go to that location, this one, SQL Developer. So I will extract the file to the new folder here. So I can click on extract to SQL Developer. So the extraction of the files will be started. So you can wait until the extraction of all files is completed. Alright, so the extraction is completed. Now you can open the SQL Developer, and then inside this particular folder there is a SQL Developer folder, so you can open this one. So now here we got a file, SQL Developer.exe. So you can right click and click on run as administrator, click yes. So it will start the installation of the SQL Developer tool. So this particular tool is a GUI based tool which we will be using to connect to the SQL database, SQL Express database, and then we'll write the queries to create the tables. Okay, so let's wait. I think it should be very quick to get this installed. Alright, so the installation of the SQL Developer is completed. We can wait for a moment. Alright, so this is the home page of the Oracle SQL Developer. So this one, system at ORCL, it is showing the old connection that I created earlier. So I think it has saved it in memory or something. So to create a new connection, you need to click on the plus sign, and this page will open. So here you can give the connection name. So I will call my connection as system@database name. So the database name will be this one. If you see here, XEPDB1. Okay, so I will call it as system@XEPDB1, so that I know that this is the username and this will connect to this particular database. Now inside the username, you need to provide the username. So our username is system, and then I can provide the password here. So I can provide the password as well, and then inside the service name we can provide this value XEPDB1. Okay, I can again check this one, XEPDB1. Okay, yeah, that's good. So I can copy this one and paste the value here. Now I can click on the test connection. So it's trying to make a connection. So you can see the status of the connection, that the status of the connection is success. So now I can click on connect. So this will actually connect to the Oracle database, and a new query window will be opened. So now you can see that a new query window has been opened, and you can click on the expand, and then you can expand the tables as well. So these are the system tables, and you can create your own table as well. Okay, so I will create a small table and will insert few records to it. Okay, so I can open the ChatGPT here. So for example, if you are from the SQL Server background and you are trying to create a table in the Oracle, and if you don't know like how to create a table and how to insert the data, so you can take a small help from the ChatGPT. For example, I can ask him that create table employee for Oracle with the columns as employee ID, first name, last name, date of joining, and then the salary, and insert 10 records to employee table. Okay, so I can just write my requirement here and it can generate the queries for you. So it can be helpful for the beginners or even for the persons like those who have worked with the SQL server, but there is a slight change in the syntax, for example for some data type. Okay, so for example here we have like number data type, in SQL server we have the integer data type, same way here we have the varchar 2 data type, however in SQL server we have n varchar data type. So there is a slight change in the syntax. So I can copy the code from here and then I can go to the SQL developer and I can paste the code. Okay, so if you want to execute all the code, then you can click on this one, run script. Okay, or if you want to execute some portion of the code, then you can select that particular code and you can click on this one, the first option. Okay, so I will click on the second option, which will actually execute all the scripts. So now you can see that the all scripts ran fine and it has created the employee table and then inserted 10 records. So if you want to see if whether the table got created and it has inserted 10 records or not, so you can write the query like select star from employee. Okay, so if you execute this particular query, then this will select the data from the Oracle. So you can clearly see that a table employee has been created and it has inserted 10 records into the employee table. So guys, this was like how you can install the Oracle 21c Express Edition on your machine, and then how you can install the Oracle SQL Developer and the basics like how you can create a table. So I just created table to show you that the Oracle installation was successful, and now we can actually use it to write the PL SQL queries. So there is a difference between the language, like PL SQL is for the Oracle and then T SQL is for the Microsoft SQL Server. So I think that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching the video, and if you like the video, then please click the like button. Do subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and click on all so that you will be notified every time I put a new video. Thank you so much.